How to turn on or turn off voice commands on Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click on this profile picture. Now here you will find many options. Go down and click on the settings option right here. After you click on settings, now scroll down like this until you find dictation option. Click on dictation and you will find the voice commands option. You can turn it off or turn it on from here, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.